IGC News. Bima Obibia Akwawa Hadie latest and hot news in Kwa and Amede Bravo. Amity se wunya subscribe ya Bomodia say over subscribe to the channel no. The other say over click the subscribe button no. Now our belly notification where is our new video be upload when the first person I was back a video. I feel so we are now like video and give us a thumbs up now feel share my offer first so now when you be here now who and someone also Ghana Memohano. I feel you share a similar abeto your console. Hopeson Adorye or the Agyapadie Buki Akufo Kennedy Agyapong studio hodom na ye sembe bri. Agyapadie Buki ene abetuga emunsem tese kwa sa chima fefo ya bo a wande be Ghana tese Agyapadie nyina wane wele nyina ma ntima emunsem no ayedeja na no na Hopeson ede sa Agyapadie Buki Akufo ye na TV hodom a tese o chechensem na o papa nsem gu hodom. Na no na wodi Kennedy Agyapong ho sem tese nyama wana trafa ye Kennedy ho tese kwa wande Kennedy be fa so na tese wani nya de wani previous na tese Kennedy no ma woni tikokunsa no tese o ma pekwan bi so e de asem bi ato no so e ma ye opposition foti a prosecute no na tese final no motimi di Kennedy Afriyie party no na no na Hopeson this hase win na akotiga na ngwe emunsem bi e dija safe na odwene ya mese me de link ne beto e comment section ho no na uso wadan na tese wonya bi akinka na me sedi padodo na nya bi akinka isanse the previous videos no me de link no to comment ni mu nti wana e sa video no wana timi download bi ama wono so hu sama wo ye sa Agyapadie booking safe no wadwane ya me de link ne beto comment ni mu na wo so hu sama ekoso afi yen hwe Hopeson kopie wo ho no no yen hwe sama ekoso wo yen hwe sama Hopeson Adorye Stórm studio hodom and some of the Kojo Kyeremanteng into a year and some course into
and say I say
what could be
the creative problems will create too much. Creative problems. There be the creative problems too much. You are me fear and panic me.
Me say
what a mammy commercial breaking
anti Agyapadie crusader.
Where are
you anti Agyapadie?
Are you self-acclaimed?
Are
self-acclaimed.
Self-acclaimed near then.
I anti Agyapadie crusader.
No. Oh, you crusader. No. I title edema. I title edema. I title edema. But say you better make sure say Ghana will be Ghana. Ghana first. Sabugwe. Bugwe. Oh, brother. But see you better say you mama Ghana ni biati asiye. We are not fools in this country.
Nabu kidi poche kwe ni poche.
Oh, munjai sansem na na mukikaika. Munjai sansem na mukikaika kano.
Mimi ndo chire book.
Me se munjai sansem no. Woni yo chire book ni say.
Hopeson, obi a chire book ne Alan. Meba Alan the great transformation plan. Who say Alan Kojo Kyeremanteng e na chire. When me who the author of the book. Akwa say Bible die, say Bible e chire Bible.
What kind book no?
Me kaya me ntiase. Manya bia kan ba me kaya me ntiase. As a technical be mami.
Nyambotre. Inside. Was it the technical team led by DM Ofori Atta should further evaluate the following details in order to choose the appropriate site. Galamsey map no near the atohano. She what you say you be baso.
What am I question?
You analyze book we what the honor wo hwa as say we wake it up. The only thing to keep this Agyapadie is to vote MPP out.
Say the city book ya be kura be say bia nkofo no kura twere kura na ati obi wu.
How many times are we book we e brother mo MPP e pie e wo ye meeting ase communication meeting ye bisa ye obi ka say entontwene ye Robert.
Now just that time you didn't take it upon yourself to fight this.
Oh yeah monto mo bo ase nipa ne ka asem na ti asem na o ka no ti ase and so what bisa question
meet you
me say 2008 we raised it at communications meeting. Obi ka say entontwene ye fake. Now, a fake, and so everything in this book is happening one after the other.
Abemame series of examples.
Memma o boss, the owner of this station. Memma, asema ya kafa no. Nekese me bo na say, enye adwuma na say eyi.
Kennedy Agyapong book no. I'm going for a short commercial break. Hopeson person ye code deep. Kennedy Agyapong Agyapong so book no. Say ye kan na Hopeson church ya say. Na yabo bronsem no so a say nipa ba ko aminim the book ye twa no ti hobi so mo gini input so mo gini opinion no Hopeson Adorye and say baby Ghana baby onam bia obeti Agyapadie na anu ada gabi atwete se abuku enye no kre na anu ada o chehine se ade we eye fictitious eye fake eye malicious me emfa nya adwuma na anu ada the president so ba bonche abeka che se da bi onu sa buku onim ho kra hwe na omo twere buku no ma even be opposition for Hopeson why pa na twere se
how did you know say opposition for
something minim
so bisa no who say you na twere then I want opposition for na twere so bisa adame boa what there for a yinti mempese meye betrayal of trust into no abusha no ba ko ne make asaye enka
really
o de nyamotre men go so ho what there me for lack of you can say for the purposes of
confidentiality woman ti
mempese me boni ni aka asem
ofrew
what
no hope so for or they for no say
it's okay
oh ka boy anke you nyabotre
she sabuku we enye MPP asem wo ye MPP ni a memfa ho nhyem enye MPP asem o etu ye MPP ni a memfa ho nya den enhyem abusua bi asem de yeka
okay
abusua no maji ato wo se we ni epese yeye ema ye ho ye ma ye na nkanso a ye nwo wo mo se ne womo ebe control the nation Ghana. Womo the ebe kase womo ye shakers and movers of the country.
Na nankanso ye nyanwo mu nyina ha.
Nyabotre. Emre bia na me start from the forward. Me say ye beje Ghana si ho. Oko forward a. Forward was signed. Signature wa ha ya signing Ofori Atta and was here. Now, before then,
yes,
I had a conversation with someone. And this book, it was only one copy. Only one copy in this world. One. Eti omwa eyo omo dia dishia no mo ya to ho. No more discuss ya omo wi a omo to special save. Eshem ni aloko.
They say this can good save no, they have a special save for it.
That's right. There may be any case Nyankopon tisa letter ni. One particular one. Omu refie. And a katebu so. And obi copy so. No tamu ye fast. Etusha who say ya photocopy.
Yes.
No photocopy ni nyina. I'm so drew fie no nya time no de ni phone scanning ni nyina. Put in the soft copy. Etomu. Etini say would dija ubia. O masa ni panani yeden. Epre.
Yes. Say come the idea ni brenenam.
Eti di brenenam.
Yes.
Enti me suspect say ni adidi aja obi. Ana ni pano copy so. Chese ti makwa Akoto abonten. Me enyam na me troye. Once it's a public document, we'll discuss it.
Okay.
Obi antimi si obi akwan say sabuku yan discuss it. Just obe jitum say your book enti mo obi anka ho asem.
Ye hu altar na altar Bible ni say ne de dia ye ndimi nka ho asem.
But the content, we'll discuss it. We will discuss it. I have a family. Wamusu nya bidia eye. You have a family. Wamusu nya bidia eye. Aditina the whole Ghana. Yemfa ye bibia emfa mabusua baako. Wo yem people ni now fresh out defend we ya na adwena Nyankopon de che no wato atwene. Wabusua nya bi na se wo mpa tena ho na defend. Share the forward first paragraph. Was it to our future? Made up of present and the unborn. What here?
Miti.
Adi we omo ya mo dachi. Eye enne.
Yes.
Ye na ye ti ase ne e wo abusua num ne ye ma na omo ti ase ne no. Edi omo aye nya nwu wo mo. Omo na cancel abo.
Okay.
For whom this will of a nation is being prepared.
So they've able to be aware.
Now say
where
a serious issue ni e kan wa ha say no. Serious issue. What do you think? Was it to our foremost king, Oforipeni, the prejudice spread across the world, for whom and to whom alone this sacred document is prepared? Hey, because of time, me kind of but was it with arrival of Nanado, we see the rebirth of a second JB Dangwa, who has come to the rescue. Have you get a point in about?
As a will be my dream.
Me, I'm not the author of this book.
Ben wants to see kind to me tears and
just some mastery. Mastery Ajo. Makai, Akai.
Did it be our kind?
Oh, yeah, analysis in her. It's what is Mekan chapter paragraph of your house? What's it? Currently, with Nana in total control of the whole entity of Ghana, we have a duty to ensure that we take over the commanding height of the essential fabric of the factory, of the country, in order that even in the event that Nana leaves the scene after the mandatory 8 years, the sons and daughters of Ochemai will be firmly secured and such control both financially and economically that can no longer be ignored in the battle to control the destiny of Ghana.
Nana Ben ye can asem first and second term.
One way I send me kokwa bawa hano. One way ya metutu bi amane.
Some me trust.
One way ya metutu bi amane. What you say? What's it? In doing this,
yes,
we need to be strategic.
Okay.
We would have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups, including some carefully selected people in Ashanti and other diverse ethnicities or land. This will make them believe that they also have a hand in the pie.
Hey.
When we say MPP beko primaries, great people from the Ashanti region. Oh, and yeah, we say ya be. What would you know? No more yet this. It will obscure any suspicion that the project is essentially an Okyehene project. This point is crucial, because with electoral politics, we have to have our eyes on the numbers in the electoral process.
Okay.
We cannot be blatant until we are completely secured in the endeavor. It is especially so because so far the Ashantis constitute the single most populous ethnic group in this country. We'll do the next paragraph.
Yes.
Paragraph 9.
Yes.
Was it although the Ashanti group within the current MPP is gearing itself to take over the party after Nana's tenure in 2024. It will be ideal if we could work to bypass them in 2024. With hard work, we could work to pass the mantle over to a non-account person, preferably from the north, under whose presidency we could secure the maturity of our takeover project. Jesus Christ.
Watch my guys be sure.
Jesus Christ. And then, but then what say? MPP Fraber of River.
The northern part of Ghana.
But Minchina has say muye. What say? Asante for more MPP mu. War mo say. Wa mo enebedi MPP anim. E brand na Akufo-Addo ewie.
Yes.
Na omo modern say omo be ma na fa Asante for no ho. Na omo fama obi a onye akani. Na mo be bi omo pepa ne say depa ne be free enough.
Comes my guys be sure.
When I see an answer and see ye.
Nipa be 5 and 6.
Who better ho ka say a fake documenter? Then you yourself should examine your head. Asem na ga bi kokotre no, he should examine his head first. What if say Jimmy Okroma say? Asem we abam na asem. Wait, 2018. What's his name? What dear, my main call or boss to the end so.
Kennedy Agyapong.
What dear tea? Near Kappa Kennedy Agyapong. In this book, they have 332 galamsey companies. Our mugumo muyajuma. Called deep forest, over called galamsey, a coso or hodum. And then in that, no work I say.
When I said President Kwaku Annan, the presidency better online if they try to do galamsey.
What am I? Officer, look, the same crophobia or more school or more Yankopan your madam or more school or more being would diagram move beat you this year.
I want to be Kennedy Agyapong be
Kennedy Agyapong.
Yes.
T and your Mokafano.
Yes.
Kennedy Agyapong.
Yes.
A very good asset. The party must, as a matter of need and a possibility, defend him going into 2020 elections. Way back in 2018.
Okay.
At the 2020 elections. He has the utmost control over our action troopers. So you say can grassroots?
Yes.
They know.
Delta Force, the Invisible Force, and
all the former criminal elements who are purposed for the final push. In addition to his deep pockets,
yes,
his financing of grassroots affirms our dire need of him at all costs in 2020 elections. Before 2020, once another, Akoto Kennedy Agyapong was say, no at all costs. Because we don't have a move, now boys no move. We can say sit, no more sit. Etino, bibia mubeye bia, omu di Kennedy Agyapong for 2020 elections. Omu ebeya mano.
Yes.
We no omu say obra de fool. While conceding his magnanimity towards the base, his trenchant for being a loose cannon in attacking persons who should be left alone is sometimes worrying. As a result, he must eventually be weighing off as our project reaps dividends.
Hey,
me say
dividends.
Me say Gugwe, ye be chiruma magana for United.
Project no do
dividend. So almost secure second term we are dividend number. It is that time no need pushing out.
Then you become irrelevant in the party.
To need less and less of his funding. Satemuno, after Kennedy Sikabo and Fesicamo and found
irrelevant.
His self-confessed unbreaking quest for personal wealth is a potential threat to causing us to suffer needless exposure. It is important for a dossier, it is important for a dossier to be prepared on him and deliberately leaked through our friends in opposition, who will call for his prosecution. Kene Opoku is to revise the 2016 plan and progress to his dossier for this purpose, but should be filed under any of should not be filed under any official seal.
What's the fight for Chechemni and Fancy? So after all the sacrifice this man has sacrificed for the party.
Yeah, will come her party for me to me contractive to Secretary the Japan kum ameswali. Won't ye?
Ah, so Mati.
Won't ye?
Mati.
Et you what you hold them there say book where you fake. Now what you want them say wujedi. Was he unprepared those here? Ye leaky informal opposition for. It should not come under any seal. This book is under a seal. A family be seal and a that's no. But you know, prepared the opposition for no one call for Kennedy Agyapong in prosecution should not be under any seal.
After all the commitment and everything.
After all the commitment.
Dedication.
Some Kofwe Koko and Trapo MPP for Komuko and Trapo president in the Kennedy China Ho a fighting no. That Petria in what you want them say a fishing. Ace.
Because say rubbish.
Mami Mao.
And I fancy me.
Banks no. Why you be fast or mobile?
Yes.
Or more classified into three. Your mother. you were biological children.
Yes.
And you were adopted children.
Yes.
More than a Bank of Ghana. What they will tell me.
Young Kweku Bank ono.
Yeah, call Eco Bank ono. No, under adopted children. Eco Bank. Ninji na muno chere se. Wo mo enkonko pese wo mo control na se bibisa.
Okay.
But wo mo promo nkrofo wo board no so. Na e ba se wo mo disika bi ba for more personal businesses are netima fa ho.
Okay. Fancy.
What say we have two routes of entry into this institution.
Yes.
First is through Senate, which has a seat on board of Ecobank Ghana by virtue of its shareholding. The seat is occupied by Director General of Senate. In phase 2 of our agenda,
in phase 2
of our agenda, Sabugwe revision we no 2018 no.
Yes.
In phase 2 of our agenda, Kofi Bosompem Osafumafo, who is a Deputy Director General of Senate, should be made the Director General to give him the seat on the Ecobank Ghana board. And then many will say, who is the Director General of Senate?
Wait a minute, wait dear.
Look, take your time, analyze it. It is a NDC for a natural sabuku way, and na abayi implemented ya at the ehun. At the ehun. Me say this book. There should be a forensic audit to get the source of this book.
That's what can you do? Don't you book you?
I'm expert. Baby free. Yet you want to say a fiction.
I say imagination a dream.
Hey, the last one. The last one. With the last one.
Yes.
Under oil and gas.
Page 10 no last one.
Under you can say Wofri capital market one and insurance. The next page. The next page. Mining, oil and gas industries. See, baby Kwanan can person can about the electricity. But what the uncle has said, what say our mining as well as oil and gas strategies constitute a major plank of our blueprint for controlling the extraction of natural resources, which God has generously bestowed on Ghana, particularly the Achem land. The next, was it to this end? Okay, my member has said, growing environmental factors are rendering risky.
Yes.
Our use of illegal small-scale mining, galamsey, as a source of financing our political objectives. There is therefore a need to roll out a more rigorous legal means of controlling significant stake in the legal good value chain. Let's just say, what can you say? Senior, you know, Omukas omu depende on galamsey nunkwa emre bi beba ebe hadwene nti omumpe legal yi. It was it to this end a cursory look at the proof concession should be looked at. Asante Bedietuo is to lead the process to take over these concessions detail below and consolidate them into the standard Agyapa LLC incorporated in Jersey. Agyapa LLC, Eco Parliament and Anko Parliament.
Hey. Hopes watch my being CBB.
Franco. Hey, Agyapa LLC. Look, last I called this one, Honorable Adongo.
Yes.
Then person me find out.
Yes.
And the briefings, the Maya. What's a minority work up?
Yes,
that time, majority, they had the numbers to pass it.
Yes.
But today they see so senior the President Babonche said Kwako revision.
Yes.
Nafe asaba back to Parliament. What kind kwachira tabu konti? Mo pa mo miemra part 2. Tabu konti ya. Kabeye say royalties no so mba bejeje no. A chunk of it will be diverted into account or mato war account.
War fund bi.
War fund. War fund. We are diverting. Look,
war fund.
Hey, Ghana DBA, sorry. We need to fight this.
Really?
All Ghanaians are entitled to our natural resources. When you jam Bushako Bako, what can we say? We'll be over Jedinunko examine head. Excuse me. Excuse me. Agyapawan ke bi mu kura wuwa firi wiase. Nkofo ayi iron rods na hihye omumu. Mo se dey. They should stop it. Abusianfo, to end this, your best re. Mo mayemfa to me no Emma Alanko.
They say we say production team no crack catch them say they are making arrangements. We be part 2.
I say be part 2. Yeah part 3 crack ho.
But who's one of your machine you?
Me say we see
after all the sacrifice by Kennedy Agyapong.
I don't say e won phones wa won huni you. When you get it, print it. The band they say. The fat pen kita. What dia wo kan na wo sensan ase. Wo kan na wo sensan ase. Wo wia sa go through biom. Wo pe hu. Yes, you fan fast anti-phone. You can afford being free no from that. I see, I see. Kennedy Agyapong 2020 this year. Young chrono. That one why you are your body galaway. Young dosia. Near I see, I see. But you are Montreal. That ye mabe train aba. I say, ya transi. I'm a side way as you Ghana.
Yo, Tifo, when and Sammy Hopeson Adorye or the Tuga or Agyapadie Boakye and Subdugu, another weapons and Subdugu Nara. The cow said, so we need your beer, but when you check a comment session, home the link never to announce, download the copy, and also to kind in somewhere a woman be. The cow said, this is so and our channel, so we are subscriber, but more than say over subscribe to the channel, is as a hard latest and hot news in Kwanamide, Bremo. Also, get me actually what you are somewhere in our home. I will comment box me over to in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.